SlimWiki is a free cloud-based wiki tool that allows teams to share ideas and develop reference pages. You can create and edit pages and also add them to larger collections, so you can compile and organize information and share knowledge. SlimWiki makes it really easy to get started. After you create a free account on slimwiki.com, you're shown a tutorial page, which is also the first page of your new wiki. To create a new page, you'll hit the plus button on the left-hand menu, and doing that automatically places you into editing mode. You can add simple text and even basic formatting like headers, bold, underline. You can add images, tables, and video by hovering over the I bar. So let's try adding an image. Takes just a moment to load. And I think wikis are most useful when they're connecting you to more relevant information. So a main feature is the ability to link to different pages. So first you'll type in the text that you want to make into a clickable link. You'll select it and then click the chain link button. Start typing in the name of the wiki page that you want to link to, click it, and you're done. Once you've made edits to a new or existing page, you'll click the check mark to save. And there we go. We've just created our first wiki page with a working link. SlimWiki has some great benefits for a training setting. As you saw, there's no lag time once someone hits save, so it publishes right away, and people can be working on multiple pages of the same wiki at once. You can manage user access by clicking on the gear, going to account settings, and inviting new users via email. They'll receive an email prompting them to verify their account, and account setup's pretty quick. You can also create teams for each class and leave the page collections posted. So each cohort could create its own wiki. Your learners could access the information once class is over and actually use it as a reference tool. It also has a really convenient search feature. So your learners can pretty easily find what they're looking for and go right to the relevant page. There are some drawbacks to using SlimWiki as an educational tool. As with any learner-generated content, you can't guarantee the answers you're looking for, and SlimWiki doesn't have any built-in parameters. So the only opportunity for scaffolding is what the instructor provides, either verbally or in writing on the wiki. Another downside is the limit on live editing. Each page has to actually be saved in order for the changes to publish. So only one person in the group can be scribing at a time. Managing users is a benefit, but it's also a potential downside. It's nice that you can manage teams, but ideally your learners wouldn't need to remember login information to access a learning tool. SlimWiki supports a learning by teaching approach by providing a platform for learners to work together, analyze information, compile their findings. I plan to break my learners up into 4 groups based on their personal communication styles, which is called a DISC profile. Then they'll work together to answer questions like the ones that I've listed here. So they'll be learning from their own reflection, but also through each other, and at the same time practicing 21st century skills like communication, negotiation, critical thinking. The facilitator will be moving around the room, helping to answer questions. And once the initial group activity is done, the learners will be able to present this personalized content to each other. The other students will be able to ask questions of the presenting students, and they can even edit the wiki as they present if they like. SlimWiki is a simple, streamlined wiki platform. You can easily create and edit pages, build collections of pages, and manage users and groups. It's a tool that can be used for collaboration and even as a reference after the initial training event has ended. It doesn't have live editing like other platforms, and you do need an account in order to access it. It can be one of many tools used to support a learn by teaching approach and fosters peer negotiation and communication.